No, yeah. This was like you came to my house today. Am I safe? Okay, let me go and pick you. Okay. Hey!
Are you okay?
All this old
Let me
women.
get water for you.
Let me just cover my nose first. Nothing I don't go see. She's even coughing. Let me just cover myself so that this cough won't pass me. Hey, what's he gonna try to do?
What's wrong with you? Can't you see?
This man, an old woman, an old woman. Hey. Oh, this old woman. Now, cut down cough, nothing else. Eh? They are old.
I'm fine.
Sorry.
I am very, very fine.
Yeah.
I'm very fine. There's nothing wrong with me. There's nothing wrong with me. Hey. You think I'm having cough?
Hey.
My son needed a wife. And he said I should try it. Ima, where are you? Oh, you are going to the neighboring village. Two girls. You saw them. You want me to test them? Hey, Jesus. Oh, my husband. Eh? This my son, you will not kill me. You know these children of nowadays, I don't blame you. You want to be sure that the one you choose is the one you actually choose. I don't know, how brought the test? I'm not kind of testing now. Eh? Let them come, I'm in the house, I'm waiting. Let them come, let me test them now. I promise you, I will give you the best among them. Do some other. I'm in the house. They want to marry Obodo. I will help them. No problem.
I'm sorry, ma.
You're sorry.
I'm the one that loves Ima.
I said get out of
Ma, please.
But she was not always telling me about
Hey, don't say
Ma,
a word.
please.
I said get out of my house.
Hey. Jesus, see what I've done to my son.
I said just leave.
Ma, please.
I said get out. It's going. Oh, manager. You'll be so surprised to know that you are going to be the wife of your man. Yes. So my son is already around you. You don't want anybody to. So go home and tell your parents that by weekend your suitors are coming. And we are going to come in a big way. Hey! Okay, there. Okay, so as. Odogu no dogu. Nsogbu adịrọ. Jidekwa aka iji. Keep it up.
Can I go?
You can go. Let's go on. Hey. Just little thing like this. Don't buy it. Little test. Nsogbu adịrọ. Okay, then. Akwazimu wa chalubo. Okay.